Hello everybody. Today I am here as photo scientist Surya Pratap. Today I am gonna explain you from a new chapter a topic which is chapter 10 solids, liquids and gases. Today I am gonna explain what is matter, how does it form and how is it made up of, what are the chemicals and what is the ingredient of it. Okay, so first, how is it made? Okay, like it is made by combining atoms. Okay, like the CO2, carbon dioxide. There are three atoms in it, two carbon, and in between one is oxygen. See, like this. These both are carbon. This is oxygen. These are three atoms, and we will combine it by HO2. HO2, then what will happen? It is also having three atoms. When these both will combine, so what will happen? They will form helium. Okay, like this, by mixing and making more space, everything is matter. Everything around us, like this marker, this board, like this globe, this bottle, everything is matter. Okay, matter, what is the definition of matter? As its definition says, matter is a thing which occupies space or mass is called matter. Okay, like something which is occupying space. Like I will keep marker in my hand. So it occupies space and it has mass also, it is heavy also. Like this, it has mass and space also both, so everything contains like this. Only like when you touch water, you will also feel it will also cover space. Like you will gases, there are gases, they will cover up spaces but they have no mass. Okay, so today we will also learn how are the molecules of matter. Okay, and how are the parts of matter, everything we are going to learn. Okay, so we have learned till now that matter is a thing which occupies space or mass, and everything around us is matter. We have learned this. Now in 5th class, what is happening? In 5th, 6th, 7th, all the standards, the information, definition, everything is expanding. So in matter, there are three parts as we have read in our before previous classes. Solid, first is solid. Okay, solid. Second is liquid, and third, as you know, gas. There are three. Okay, you can speak gaseous matter. So what is solid? Solid is an object like this marker. This is solid. We can hold this. Okay, we can feel it, and the solids are things from which we can't change their shapes. Okay, and imagine like I will leave this marker, so it will fall up all in once it will fall up. And if I take some water and then I pour it, then some water will come first, no? Because we know why. The solid molecules are attached to each other, not even some space. Every molecule is attached inside each other. These are the molecules of solid. Okay, they are attached in each other. Okay, that's why when we will stretch it, like this is the marker, I will stretch it, then also it will not break. Okay, because all the molecules inside it, they are made of what? Atoms, and those atoms are very tightly packed. Like imagine there is only a space. Like imagine you have a geometry. The geometry is only small this much, and you have material this much. So can it fit inside it? Then we will keep it tightly. Then it will get tightly packed. Okay, so it can't move even, and the geometry will be tightly closing. So these are the types of molecules in solids. That's why, like imagine this can't break at one time. Okay, because this is a part of solid. And now let's come on liquid. liquid. What are liquids? Liquids is a type of matter. Okay, it is a matter which has molecules near to it, but they leave some space, like this. Some space they leave in between them. Okay, like this. Imagine, like, liquid is inside this bottle, and this is a glass. I kept it here. Here is the bottle. When I will open it and pour water inside the glass, I am pouring. Then I poured some only, but it has gone inside the glass, and other all the water is in the bottle. So what happens? The liquids are not attached to each other. They are not attached. So if we want to take these, we can take. No problem is there. Okay, like if we feel water. Okay, then when we will touch it, it will go apart. Okay, like that, these are the molecules of water. Now let's come on the gas. Gaseous matter. Now what happens in gas? It has molecules like it, very very far from each other. Like they are not friends. They are never friends. They are very far from each other. Okay. That's why, as you know, like, okay, imagine, like when you burn some cracker, then the smoke which flies away, we can see it. That smoke, if we will do like this, then it will be apart, and one will go that side, half will go that side. Okay, so this is all about gas. It is very different from everyone. These are near, these are tightly packed, but these are open, they can go anywhere. Like imagine you have a gas cylinder in your home, okay, and if it will get burst, so all the gas will spread in your house. Okay, hold the house. As much space the gas gets, they try to go far from each other. Okay, imagine this is a particle of gas, and this is one. It has, first imagine these both are particles of gas. First it has only this much space, so it will try to go as far as it can. Okay, and then it has this much space, so what will happen? They will go very very far from each other. As much far as they can go, they will go. They will do all the efforts they can do. Okay, so these are about all the three types. What are they? Okay, this was all for my video. In my next video, I will tell you something about molecules. Okay, the interspacing molecules, and more about solids, liquids, gas. Everything I will explain you in detail, and I will also give you a secret video. Like I will make separate videos of solid. First is on solid, then is on liquid, then is on gas. Like this, I will make